A uniform distribution gets its name from the fact that the probability that a uniformly distributed random variables falls within any interval of fixed length is independent of the location of the interval but dependent on the length of the interval. Now we shall see the most general form of the uniform distribution. It is the continuous uniform distribution defined over the interval a,b. The PDF is given by f of x equal to 1 by b minus a for a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b and 0 otherwise. The graph of the PDF looks like a rectangle. So, a continuous uniform distribution is called rectangular distribution. Distribution function is f of x equal to x minus a by x minus b for a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, for which the graph takes this shape. For uniform distribution in the interval a,b, mean equal to b plus a by 2, variance equal to b minus a the whole square by 12 and mgf equal to e raised to bt minus e raised to at by t into b minus a. Next, we shall see the continuous uniform distribution in the interval 0a, which can be obtained from the uniform distribution in the interval ab by replacing a by 0 and b by a. The PDF is f of x equal to 1 by a, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a and 0 elsewhere. For uniform distribution in the interval 0a, mean equal to a by 2, variance equal to a square by 12 and mgf equal to e raised to at minus 1 by at. A special case of uniform distribution in the interval 0a is the uniform distribution in the interval 0, 1. This distribution is called the standard uniform distribution. Its PDF is f of x equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. For this distribution, the mean is 1 by 2, variance equal to 1 by 12 and mgf is e raised to t minus 1 by t. The importance of standard uniform distribution lies in the fact that the distribution function of any continuous random variable follows standard uniform distribution. That is, the distribution function capital F of x follows u0, 1. Next, we shall see the uniform distribution in the interval minus a, for which the PDF is 1 by 2a for minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a and 0 otherwise. For this distribution, mean equal to 0, variance equal to a square by 3, mgf equal to e raised to at minus e raised to minus at by 2at, which is equal to sin h at by at. A special case of u minus a is u minus 1, 1, for which the PDF is f of x equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Here again, mean equal to 0, variance equal to 1 by 3, mgf equal to e raised to t minus e raised to minus t by 2t, which is equal to sin h t by t, which can be obtained by replacing a by 1 in u minus a. Now we shall conclude with some applications of continuous uniform distribution.